Welcome to the personal property tour for West End Cottage in Collessie. This is a 2-bedroomed semi-detached cottage, beautiful garden space, off-street parking in an idyllic location and with the opportunity to add value. So you can make great improvements internally, but also you have an attic space which, with the relevant permissions, again you can make this a beautiful family home. I'm just going to take you on the tour. So as you will see, this is the property here. So it runs from here all the way down to the middle part there. So it's a beautiful garden area as well, which I'll show you towards the end of the tour. So we enter the property here, and as soon as we come into the entrance hallway, so you have a small entrance hallway, and then off of the hallway you go straight into the kitchen. So as you can see, it does require upgrading, but there's so much potential with this one. It's a great space. You've got this beautiful big window, so it's lovely and bright. Lots of opportunity to improve, as I say. Here as well, you've got all this cupboard space. So again, potential with the relevant permissions to maybe knock that out, make it even more square. But at the moment, it does operate as a breakfast and kitchen. We'll go back into the entrance hallway, off of which is your bathroom. So go into the bathroom, you can see your double Z wash hand basin and shower cubicle. But again, great opportunity to extend and make that a fabulous space. Off of the hallway, we go then into the lounge. So into the lounge, you can see the depth of the window. So again, it's peaceful. You don't hear a great deal when you're in here. It's lovely. And a good size space. As you can see, it's a lovely big square room. You also have the original coal fire, which I believe is operational. You may just need to get a chimney sweep, get that checked out. But again, it's a great space. It's a lovely big square room. And then off of the lounge, we go into the inner hallway. Now from the inner hallway, there is another door which takes you outside. So you have kind of dual access, which is great. And then I'm going to take you into the first of the doubles. So a good sized double bedroom. As you can see. Be great as a nursery, second bedroom, play area, craft room, home office. And again, you've got these lovely deep cells. It's a great space. Then we go back out into the hallway. And then from here, we go into the second of the doubles, and this is a lovely sized room. Again, you've got these really deep window sills. It's a great sized room. Actually almost as big as the lounge. It's a great space. Bear in mind, this is quite big furniture. So again, you can see it's a lovely sized room. Great potential with this home. When we go into the hallway as well, what you'll see is the attic hatch there. So there's a lot of room in that attic area. Great potential again to extend with the relevant permissions, but really could make this a good footprint. So I'm going to take you out into the garden, let you see the garden area. So as soon as you come into the garden, isn't that lovely? So idyllic. All you can hear is the birds. It's a beautiful area. So we have a walkway down here, which takes you to the other entrance that I showed from inside the property. But again, it's been a beautifully tended garden, lots of colour. So I'll just flip that round. So you can see the path. So you had one entrance there and then one further down. It's a great path up to the house. You have this lovely lawn area. And then you have this patio, which again, coming out in the front of the property, sitting having your morning coffee, entertaining with friends. It's a great space. And then down here we have a water feature. And then down to the bottom of the garden, just to give you a feeling for the size of the plot. Lovely trees as well. So much colour in this garden. So as you can see, really is a nice size plot. So the property is starting there and coming up to here. So lots of opportunity to further extend as well at the top of the property. So garden wise, there's some steps here too. So there's an area at the back of the garden for seating. But we'll go back up this way into the driveway. You can see the car there. Ample space for another vehicle here. You've garden area over here. Bin store, etc. over there. You also have this additional outbuilding, which again gives you lots of scope for making some changes. But it really is a lovely space. So peaceful, you can hear the birds chirping. Lovely garden area. So as I say, this is the personal property tour for West End Cottage in Collessie. It's a 2-bedroom semi-detached cottage. This one is on the market with ourselves. It offers over £185,000. If this is of interest to yourself, please feel free to message me here directly. Likewise, you can contact the team on 01334 654 221. It's in a great location. You've got village life here, so it's definitely lifestyle orientated, but you're literally a few minutes and you're onto the dual carriageway, which will take you to Ladybank train station, Cupar train station, along to Kirkcaldy, Edinburgh, likewise up to Dundee. Village life with everything else on your doorstep and accessible. It's a great opportunity to add value to this one. And I'm Perry at 5 Properties TV. Take care. Bye bye.